next to my boy right now. Come find a bit of room, lads. Go spread yourselves out. To get yourself in. Drinks are just over there. Have a walk over.
Alright, you see.
As soon as you've done 3 or 4 on each side, go ahead, take a knee, get into your hip flexor, lift your collarbone, lift your chest. As soon as you get back, your crab walk, band goes above your knees, you're into 10 squats, band stays nice and tight. People on each of the blue cones where the balls are, 3 people on each of the red cones. Go organise that, please. Okay, so 3 on the blue, 3 on the red, please. 30 seconds of work. As you go throughout the time, okay, maybe we're gradually turning up the intensity a tiny bit. Push it at him. Relax. Leave it in the space. Smash it at him. Walk all the way up to the red cone. Nice and easy on the jog on the way back. Any extra stretches or whatever it is that you feel like you want to do on the way. A little bit deeper towards the ground as you approach this red cone. On the way back, anything you feel like you need to add. Once you've got your room, we start to go through the gear. Full twist your hips, get all the way down to your bottom of your squat. Exactly the same start, and then you're up for a head up. Start to move your feet. If you open wide, start to move right. If you open left, start to move left. On the way back, you're still facing me, you're on the job. Check your shoulders, get your feet working. Kick across yourself, chest and shoulders go the opposite direction.